Gold and silver traded bearish for the day, as we have recommended the selling entry to be taken at 33.70, 68 levels and expected to move towards 33.58, 33.50 levels. And yes, for silver it was 38 the selling entry. I hope you all profited with the first trading update which I provided few hours back. So now what to expect with the US session? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit. We're gonna see again with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly chart, see the crossover on the moving averages is on the sell side. The resistance is pretty clear here at 33.80. Very important for gold to trade beyond 33.80 in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Else right now it is giving a breakdown here, and now I'll wait for it to stay below 33.50 and 33.40 levels. If at all gold trades below 33.40, this will lead to a stronger bearish move. First target should be towards 33.32 and then I will look forward to 33.10 levels possibly. Yes, it can give you a stronger drop, and it was a much awaited drop which gold was failing to deliver since last week. We have seen it trading with moderate retracement levels, and now it is given a breakdown. I'll just wait for it to stay below 33.40 in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic oversold, the MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2 hour, notice on the 2 hour charts. See, 33.80 is the only milestone above which we can confirm that the bulls are back. Else it is still delivering lower lows, lower highs. There is a possibility that we can see it hitting 33.50, and below that we will see 33.40, 33.32 and 33.10 levels directly. Possibility is there. Yes, things are getting oversold, but it is continuously looking downwards, trading bearish. Be it the MACD, RSI, stochastic, all the three are trading bearish as of now. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, see the preceding candle is pretty important. See, one strong candle, a swing candle, and the current one taking a shape. So now once it trades below 33.50, you can just stay short and expect it to move towards 33.40, 42, 33.30, 32, and below that 33.10 should be there very soon. Yes, the stochastic getting oversold, but look at the moving averages. These have started to converge, not yet crossed over. A crossover here would confirm a possible reversal here in gold prices. If you look at the stochastic, MACD, RSI, all the three are trading bearish as well. Likewise on the 4-hour chart. See, earlier in the day, what did we discuss? See, it is delivering lower highs, lower lows, and possibly as long as now 3400, 3410 zone is not taken, it may try to move towards lower lows. Means it can in fact breach 3250 level soon. Possibility is there, but today's, let's focus on today's candle. If you see now, gold trading below 3350, stay short. Then, as I said, 33.40, 42, 33.30, 32. Below that, expect 33.10. And below 33.10, this time the gold prices are going to drop below 32.80 levels very soon. If not today, then possibly with the inflation data tomorrow. Yes, the stochastic getting oversold, the MACD trading sharply divergent, sharply bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI has dropped sharp as well. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, notice the prices, how gold prices have moved so far. You can see after hitting the highs at 3500, a drop, retracement, drop, then retracement, drop, then retracement. Lower highs are consistently seen, and yes, not to forget, higher lows are also seen. Thus it is pretty important for gold to now trade below 3280 in order to confirm 3280, 3250. Once it breaches 3200 is to be there very soon. But let's focus on today. What has happened today? See, after delivering moderate bullishness and a flat top today, it is reversed. It is now looking downwards. Now looking downwards means a possible move towards 3340 cannot be denied, and below 3340 you can expect 3330, 32, and below that is where you can expect it to deliver a massive move. Yes, it could erase all the gains from last few days. It could move all the way towards 3310 or 3290 levels soon. If you see the stochastic, this is looking downwards, trading bearish. The MACD trying to converge here. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in green. And the RSI is also looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. So considering, now before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. We only have limited entries. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. And yes, if you are just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for any of your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAF-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now with that, first thing is where you should. Now buying entry in gold is only if you see it is staying beyond 3366 levels, expect 3372 and then 3378.80. If and only if gold trades above 3380, it may lead to a reversal where you can in fact expect it to head towards 3385.86 first and 3400 next. And a move beyond 3400 is a clear sign of reversal. As long as 3400 is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bullish. That is pretty clear. Yes, as long as 32 or 3400 is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bullish. Very clear here. On the downside, I'll recommend a selling entry at 3350 levels. Expect 33.40.42 first, 33.30.32 next. Below 33.30.32 very soon, if not today, gold prices should head towards 33.10.12 and 32.80 levels, the next target zone. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Now silver on the hourly chart, see the resistance here on the upside 38.40, 38.50, pretty strong. Moving averages have converged here, crossed over for sell, and see after getting the resistance we have seen now lower highs and lower lows, and the resistance here at 38 pretty strong here. So now it is very simple. Only bullishness in silver prices if you see it is staying beyond 38, and this zone at 38, 38.50 is very critical for silver to break beyond. Now notice earlier in the day I have mentioned the support zone here at 38, 37.80 is pretty strong. It has breached this support and now trading lower. Now I'll wait for it to stay below 37.40, 37.30 zone. This is the most strongest support on the downside, and any drop below 37.40, 37.30 will confirm a reversal towards 37, 36.50 and lower levels. Moving averages have started to cross over. This is a slight bearish sign. Stochastic comfortably placed in trading bearish. MACD also bearish, and the RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, very clear. The moving averages are, you can say, started to converge, and prices were trading in this bullish channel. It has come out of this channel. Now also notice this is what it is trying to do. After the drop, sideways movement, drop here, retracement, higher, slightly higher highs, and it might confine itself within the box, which means now 38.50 should be a level which is going to be a difficult hurdle for silver to break beyond. If any point of time today, tomorrow, in this week, silver trades beyond 38.50, we can stay bullish for possibly 39 now. You have to watch out here. Now look at 2 hour charts also. Prices are outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why it is restricting its downward move. Stochastic flat, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI has dropped sharp here. Look at 3 hour charts. What is happening on the 3 hour charts? Increasing bearishness, a pullback candle. The current candle might lift the prices a little higher, which can take it towards 38 or 38.20. But I'll say complete reversal is could not be expected here. From now, I think 38.40, 38.50 should be a very strong hurdle for silver to break beyond, even if it tries to rise from here. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See the retracement, the resistance here, trading bearish, lower highs, lower lows here. And when you see the price is trading below 37.60, you can expect more bearishness to prevail here. Now see this, you can notice prices are outside bands. It is trying to show you pullback. If you now see silver again trading below 37.70, you can take a sell. I'll be ideally looking at 37.40, 37.30 zone as the stronger support here on the downside. Now this time if silver starts to slide and trades below 37.70, 37.60 zone, you can expect a stronger bearish move here. Be mindful of this. Notice, as we have discussed, staying in the box, it might move towards the bottom of this box. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD has crossed over trading bearish, the RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the daily, look at daily charts here, drop, sideways movement, drop, retracement. Now this is the box it has to come out of, and see straight bullish candles are seen, a reversal sign is appeared. Now possibly today's candle could be the first red candle here, and there could be series of bearish candles, which means today it can take a sharp drop, close somewhere here at around 37.50, 37.60, and then tomorrow it may resume the downtrend where we can again see silver hitting 36.50 and lower levels soon. Stochastic overbought here, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI has dropped. So considering that, now I'll recommend you to buy silver. If you now see it is staying beyond 38, when you see the lower prices above 38, you can initiate a buy and expect it to move towards 38.25, 30, 38.50. And only if you see silver trading above 38.50, treat this as a reversal. As long as it stays below 38.50, do not treat this as bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 37.60, 37.70. In fact, you can sell at 37.70, but wait for 37.60 zone. This zone 37.70-60 should offer a good support. Below this, expect 37.40, 37.30 as the first target zone and 37 as the next. Below 37, Silver prices are going to dump hard all the way towards 36.50 or $36 zone very, very soon. Right now, I'll say too early to conclude with such a stronger drop, but yes, right now it is showing moderate bearishness. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do what that is. Thank you.